In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for beginners. Let's get started right away so you can feel confident building your first page. Open your browser and go to notion.com. Click Login to access your account and you'll land in your default workspace. This workspace is your home base where everything you create will live. From here, click Create New Page. A blank canvas opens up, and at the top, give your new page a clear, descriptive title. Titles make it easy to find and organize your work later, then move to the body area below the title and start typing. Notion saves changes automatically, so you can focus on your content without worrying about hitting save. Notion is built around blocks, which are individual pieces of content. To add a block, type // That opens the block menu where you'll see many options. Under basic blocks, you'll find text, headings, lists, and to-dos to structure your notes and tasks. Notion AI blocks can help you brainstorm, summarize, or rewrite text right inside your page. Media blocks let you insert images, files, videos, and embeds to make your page more visual. Database blocks are powerful for creating tables, boards, lists, galleries, and calendars that you can sort, filter, and connect to other pages. You can search within the / menu, and as you explore, hover over options to learn what each block does. If you'd like a head start, click Marketplace to browse templates made by others. Templates are ready-made pages for things like meeting notes, project trackers, or personal planners. Preview a template, and when you find one you like, use it as a foundation and customize it to your needs. It's a great way to learn how advanced pages are set up. You also have access to other Notion apps that integrate seamlessly with your workspace, including Notion Mail for organizing communications, Notion Calendar for time-based planning, and the Notion Desktop app for a focused, distraction-free experience on your computer. For page styling and management, click the 3-dot icon at the top right to open more customizations. Here you can change the font for a different look, adjust text size for readability, and switch the page width to fit more or less content on screen. This menu also lets you duplicate the page if you want a copy to experiment with or delete it when you no longer need it. Finally, click the star icon to favorite this page. Favoriting keeps important pages just a click away in your sidebar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.